Hey y'all, what is up? What's up? So, we ain't fell off the face of the earth. We had some technical difficulties this weekend with the phone and the videoing, but Lee's still been working his butt off. So, I was going to tune you guys in and show you a little bit of what he's got done. So, if you checked out the short, we got the ladder over here in the way, but if you checked out the short the other day, I got that panel cut, and Lee has done the most to get it hulked in there, and it looks real nice. It lined up pretty as you please. So we got that done. Then, check this out. So, you guys were wondering, he's like, why don't you all, instead of putting that other door in, try to flip a door? Well, Lee's done his magician work, and look at this. Bam, both doors open to the side. It's pretty awesome. So I gotta tell you how he did this, cause it blows my mind. He took the old door, we took it apart, and he just flipped it inside out. So we got the vent where it needs to be, so it matches the other side. Everything matches the other side now, and they both open the opposite way. So it's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about it. We still got to do, we got Lil John's going to come down this weekend. You guys may get to see him when we do the video this weekend. He's going to come down and weld up these holes here so everything looks nice, and then we'll do some sanding on them, and I'll get this door frame cleaned up. We still got to take the light switch out, and got to take this out, and do a little more here and there, but the door is in there. And it opens the way we wanted it to. I'm so excited about it. And the bunk's together. It's one solid piece again, so we might actually get to put it back on the truck at some point. It was looking a little shady, like we might not. But Lee says that we're going to strip it, which is a way better idea. I
thought for a little bit I'd just sand it.
Well, them DAs are great until you're about 30 minutes in, and I was over it. The other day, I was covered in dust. I looked like somebody had...
Eat a lot of paint dust. But anyway, we'll strip it, and then that way we'll be just like the cab. Everything will be done to bare metal.
And then we put the etching primer on. That panel being to bare metal. This panel, this door skin, where you flipped it on inside out, you got bare metal. And we just take it all to bare metal, and then you put the etching primer on it. And just walk it up just like you've done these two. Yeah. So what's going on with his hood? You guys know the last video we talked about the hood had a bow. Ugh. Still got a bow.
Yeah, we're still working on it.
It's being a pain in the butt right now.
We're still working on it.
Lee has took it apart, put it back together, took it apart, put it back together. He threw something earlier. It was not pretty. He gets violent when he's messing with this hood. It's being a pain right now. But
Using the big hammer on it.
he is, the negotiator. That's what I call it, big hammer. I was jumping up and down on one of the braces a while ago. It was a whole thing. It was not safe. But oh yeah. We finally got them. Gosh, I love these guys. You guys. I know when I first brought them up, you always throwing in the comments that you thought these were pretty stinking awesome. And I do too. These gangster fenders are bad. I love them. I can't wait. I think that's going to give the truck a whole nother look. And it's going to be awesome. But, guys, I just wanted to holler at you. Go out tonight, let you know that we ain't fell off the face of the earth. Like I said, technical difficulties, that's how electronics do. They'll fiddle fart in the worst of times. So, but we'll have you a full working video. We're going to come out Saturday and do the most. Lee's down here all through the week working all the time, but I come out on Saturdays, and we're going to come out and do the most. Like I said, John's going to come down. He's going to do some welding, and we're going to beat on the hood a little bit more. Hopefully not much more, because I don't know how much more it can take. And you can see where we're going from there. But guys, thanks for watching, and hey, hit the special thanks button. YouTube hollered at us the other day, and they opened up a little thing, and some of y'all said that you may want to help with the project. they throw that special thanks in there, and I thought that was kind of cool. We don't have merch or anything crazy like that. We're just getting started. If you want to do something to help with the project, there's a lot of stuff we're going to have to buy, guys. This stuff gets expensive, y'all don't already know. But there's a lot of stuff like interior seats, things like that we can't make. We're going to try to make absolutely everything that we can, but there's some stuff that we just can't make. I'm not a seamstress, and Lee's definitely not either. But we're going to do the most. We're going to try to find what we can find. But like I said, if y'all want to drop in the special thanks and help with the project, we would be so thankful for it. But guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to get out of here tonight. It is super late, and I'll see y'all Sunday. Hey y'all, I almost forgot to mention, don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. Let us know how we're doing, and let us know what you think, because it thrives my whole night. I love reading them comments, and I love knowing that we got your guys' support. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, and we'll see you on the next one.